this is Priyanshu Agrawal and welcome back to this channel. This is the day 6 of becoming the best of yourself. And so today we will discuss a very important topic which is very common in today's generation, that is overthinking. So we are in this generation where we all are having so many things to do and to compare ourselves and to do this thing, that thing, and we actually fall into the trap of doing overthinking. Like even if we are seeing somebody who is more successful, or we compare ourselves to them because we see like that they are having, they are enjoying all the amenities of the life, they are earning good, they are having good, they are having a nice family, or they are supporting the family, supporting them, and they are earning and they are building a good career around them. But the thing is that not anyone in this life is making it possible for them. Like not everyone is doing very great, first of all. So the point I want to clear is that do not overthink. First of all, overthinking actually kills the way your brain works. Like the processing of your brain depends on the way you think, the way you thought, the way you put your thoughts in front of you, the way you put the things out of your brain. So overthinking actually kills it. If you want to do something, just do it. If you don't want to do something, just don't do it. Do not overthink about it, like what should I do it, or why it is happening for me, like everyone is having fun, and why God is doing this with me. Just wait for some time. I think overthinking is the most concerned subject one should be concerning about in today's generation, because I'm not from above, or I'm not from millennials or all. I'm also Gen Z. Clearly I can simply tell you I overthink a lot. Still I overthink, but the problem is that now once I started this channel, I started this channel from 5-6 days before, and I start to upload and just speak my thoughts out, or whatever it is in Hindi, English, whatever I know. So I started doing it and I feel a bit relaxment, a bit, not so much, a bit, because it's not been so much videos I've uploaded. I got a bit relaxment because I feel that whatever I thought now I will put in this video and upload it to the YouTube, and take off this grudges and take off this burden out of my heart, so that everyone can have the burden now and I'm free from it. Just do it. Let me tell you, this is the best thing you can do. Nobody's judging you, and I swear I can tell you, once you started making YouTube videos now, you will feel that you are more confident, you are more liking yourself, you are actually the way you are actually looking for the person who you becoming. You are the person who you want to be. You need to understand that you are perfect for yourself, first of all. First thing. Second thing, you need to stop overthinking. If you want to do something, just do it, and just if you don't want to do it, just leave it. Do not regret it. First point is overthinking. Second thing is regretting it. If you're overthinking something, and the second point is you will definitely regret. You will regret, oh shit, yeah, why I didn't this overthinking and all, I should not do it, and this, that. So if you are overthinking now, then do not regret it. You can overthink, that is completely fine. But if you're regretting now, that is the worst overthinking you can ever have. There's a difference between normal overthinking and worst overthinking. Worst overthinking is when you regret after overthinking, and the normal overthinking is that when you think about something and to do something or to build something different and whatever. So my point is like that. It's a very clear cut point. I'm putting this point in front of you that you should do overthinking. I'm not denying you to do overthinking, but you should do overthinking. There's nothing wrong in doing overthinking. Thinking makes you feel better. Thinking makes you feel in such a way, like you can do a particular work in a particular way. The way you thought now, your thought process affects you, and your thought process decides that how will you come out of the situation, and what are the results, and what are the accomplishments, and what are the problems and situations can be worse. So overthinking is not a problem, but regretting after overthinking is a very bad thing. I think one should not regret after overthinking. If you want to overthink, just overthink, but from the next minute just start working on that. Do not overthink it for the whole night, for the whole day, for the whole week, for the whole month. Do not like that. If you want to start something, just do it. Do not think about the risks, profits, and money, and do not just think about yourself, that if you are doing it, you are doing it for yourself. If you will not do it, then you will regret it. Why I didn't do it? Maybe I will get succeed. So this is the loop of overthinking. If you do it, then you will face the difficulties. If you don't do it, then you will regret it. If you do it, then you also regret it. The problem is that there is no actually specific reason for the overthinking. We actually do it just to compare ourselves, to demean ourselves, to disgrace ourselves, and we feel that we are underconfident. We don't have anything, and we are so much in that, but in the family or in the society we are so much down. Like I don't get the word to actually describe it, but हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे society के लिए. We are doing nothing for the society. We are not reciprocating anything for the society. We just born and we just eating, having food. We just doing studies, or for no matter what we will do in the future. So the point is that just relax. Do not overthink. If you're overthinking, then do not regret. If you want to do something, just do it. If you want to study, if you want to complete a topic in particular time, just do it. If you're not able to do it, just calm down, just relax, and you will calm yourself like that. I will do it in another hour or another day, whatever. If you want to start something, just start. Do not think of any other perspective. Just if you want to do something, just do it. So yes, that's all for today. I hope I'm not boring you guys, and I have seen some of the people are regularly liking and commenting on my posts. I actually genuinely feel a thankfulness from all of you. I'm very thankful to all. If you are watching this video, do not forget to like and comment. I really want to know what are your views about my video, because this is very starting I'm doing it, and I know I'm very late to start a YouTube channel and just to grow throughout the YouTube. But my only motive, the single one motive, is the first motive, that is I want to put my thoughts in front of camera, in front of mirror, in front of the people, because I feel that जब तक आप खुद के थॉट्स खुद तक नहीं पहुंचा पाओगे ना, तो आप सामने वाले की मतलब सामने वाला को बात समझेगा नहीं। तो मैं खुद के थॉट्स को खुद के समझने का कोशिश कर रही हूँ, ताकि मैं वीडियो बना के दुनिया को बता सकूँ मैं क्या सोचती हूँ, मेरा क्या पीओवी है। इसलिए मैं हर वीडियो में आपको बोलती हूँ कि जिस जिस लोगों को ये वाली मतलब ये थोड़ा इंट्रोवर्ट टाइप का फील होता है, या आप लोग इस तरह के हो, तो प्लीज़ एक वीडियो जरूर बनाओ। एक दिन में एक वीडियो बनाओ, 2 दिन में एक बनाओ, हफ्ते में 1-2 वीडियो बनाओ, जैसे आपको कंफर्टेबल होता है। या जब भी आपको थोड़ा डिस्ग्रेस या थोड़ा डिमीन या थोड़ा डाउन फील होता है, तो आप वीडियो बनाओ, बट डू मेक अ वीडियो। एंड येस, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे, एंड फिर हम नेक्स्ट मिलते हैं उस नए टॉपिक के साथ, नई एनर्जी के साथ। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग। डू लाइक एंड कमेंट एंड लेट मी नो व्हाट यू थिंक अबाउट मी एंड माय प्रोफेशन। बाय।